In the heart of space, aboard Boeing Starliner, an astronaut hears something utterly unexpected: a pulsing sonar-like noise, echoing through the spacecraft's communication systems. This isn't just another technical glitch, it's a mysterious anomaly that has both NASA and Boeing scrambling for answers. What does this strange sound mean and what it could be? In this video, we'll uncover the full story behind this unsettling discovery, why it's so crucial, and what it reveals about the challenges of modern space exploration. The unusual occurrence on Boeing Starliner spacecraft began when astronaut Butch Wilmore reported hearing a pulsing sonar-like noise emanating from the spacecraft's communication systems. This event was particularly alarming because the Starliner was docked to the International Space Station (ISS) at the time, an environment where such sounds are unexpected and unexplained. The noise wasn't just a simple blip, it was persistent enough to capture the attention of both NASA and Boeing, who immediately launched an investigation. Wilmore's description of the sound as a repetitive ping, akin to sonar, raised eyebrows because it pointed to a potential issue within the spacecraft's sophisticated audio systems. These systems are designed to operate flawlessly in the harsh environment of space, where any anomaly could signify a deeper problem. The spacecraft's internal communication systems, which include high-fidelity speakers and microphones, are supposed to be resilient to the unique conditions of space, such as microgravity and radiation. This incident occurred during a critical period for the Starliner program, which has already faced numerous delays and technical challenges. The spacecraft was originally intended to provide NASA with an alternative to SpaceX's Dragon capsule for transporting astronauts to and from the ISS. However, previous missions had already been marred by issues such as thruster problems and software glitches, leading to a cautious approach to each subsequent mission. The noise itself, while mysterious, was not immediately linked to a critical system failure, but it nonetheless demanded a thorough investigation. The initial response involved checking the spacecraft's communication and audio systems for any signs of malfunction. Engineers considered various possibilities, including electromagnetic interference or a hardware fault. The importance of quickly identifying the source of the noise was paramount, as any unresolved issue could impact future missions and the overall safety of the astronauts on board. Now, let's take a moment to listen to the actual audio of the noise recorded aboard the Starliner.
At negative Butch, we did not hear anything. All right, Butch, that one came through. It was kind of like a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping.
This audio brings us even closer to understanding the eerie experience that led to this investigation. Following the report of the strange noise, NASA and Boeing initiated an extensive investigation to determine the cause. The first step involved a detailed analysis of the spacecraft's audio and communication systems. These systems are critical for ensuring clear communication between astronauts and mission control, and any malfunction could have serious implications. One of the leading theories was that the noise was caused by electromagnetic interference, which could disrupt the spacecraft's electronics and produce unexpected sounds. Space is a harsh environment filled with radiation and charged particles that can sometimes interfere with electronic systems. In this case, a spike in electromagnetic activity could have affected the Starliner's communication systems, resulting in the unusual sonar-like noise. Such interference, while rare, isn't unheard of and could potentially explain this mysterious anomaly. Another plausible cause could be a hardware malfunction within the Starliner's audio system. The spacecraft's communication setup is highly sophisticated, involving numerous components such as speakers, microphones, and amplifiers. If even one of these components were to develop a fault, whether due to wear, damage, or manufacturing defect, it could generate abnormal sounds. Engineers are meticulously inspecting each part of the system, searching for any signs of malfunction that could have triggered the noise. Given the complexity of spaceborne hardware, a small defect could easily lead to such an occurrence. Yet, there's a more speculative and intriguing theory that has captured the imagination of both experts and the public alike. Could this noise be a form of communication from an unknown source? While it might sound like the plot of a science fiction novel, the idea that this noise could be an attempt at contact, whether from extraterrestrial beings or an unknown space phenomenon, is being considered, albeit with caution. Space is vast and filled with mysteries, and while the likelihood of this being the case is extremely low, it adds an exciting dimension to the investigation. Each of these theories highlights the complexities and challenges of space exploration. Whether the cause is electromagnetic interference, hardware malfunction, or something more extraordinary, this incident underscores the importance of thoroughly investigating every anomaly, ensuring that all possibilities are explored to maintain the safety and success of space missions. The implications of this noise incident for the Starliner program and the broader field of spaceflight are significant. The Starliner was envisioned as a key component of NASA's strategy to diversify its crewed spaceflight capabilities, providing a reliable alternative to SpaceX's Dragon capsule. However, the program has faced numerous setbacks, including software glitches, thruster malfunctions, and now this unexplained noise. Each of these issues has raised concerns about the spacecraft's readiness and its ability to safely carry astronauts to and from the ISS. The noise incident, while seemingly minor, has broader implications for the Starliner program's credibility. Public and institutional confidence in the spacecraft has already been shaken by previous technical challenges, and this latest anomaly adds to the growing list of concerns. If Boeing cannot resolve these issues promptly and effectively, there is a risk that NASA may reassess its commitment to the Starliner program. This could have far-reaching consequences, not only for Boeing but also for the overall landscape of crewed spaceflight. Another important consideration is the impact of this incident on future spacecraft design and mission planning. Spacecraft are incredibly complex machines, and even the smallest malfunction can have serious consequences. The Starliner noise incident serves as a reminder that spaceflight remains a challenging and unpredictable endeavor, despite decades of advancements in technology. It also underscores the importance of thorough testing, continuous monitoring, and a willingness to learn from every anomaly, no matter how small. This incident also raises questions about the future of NASA's partnership with Boeing. If the Starliner continues to experience technical issues, NASA may increasingly rely on SpaceX's Dragon capsule for crewed missions, potentially sidelining the Starliner program. This would be a significant shift in NASA's strategy, as the agency has long emphasized the importance of having multiple options for crewed spaceflight. The outcome of this investigation and Boeing's response will likely play a crucial role in determining the future of the Starliner program and its place in NASA's long-term plans. While the mysterious noise on the Starliner may seem like a minor issue, it has exposed deeper concerns about the spacecraft's reliability and the challenges of modern spaceflight. The ongoing investigation will be critical in addressing these concerns and ensuring that the Starliner can fulfill its intended role in NASA's space exploration strategy. In this video, we've delved into the mysterious noise aboard Boeing's Starliner, explored its potential causes, and discussed its broader implications for spaceflight. We hope you found this investigation as fascinating as we did. If you learned something new, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this incident and what topics you'd like to see covered next. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.